All right, y'all, we're gonna get right into this new release today. Just dropped in skate shops, right from the skate shop to my hands today. And this is the Nike SB Yuto Horigome Matcha. Thanks for stopping back by the channel. It's your boy Trey, aka Daddy Seed. If you've been here before, thanks for rocking out and vibing with us and coming back. And if it's your first time here, hit that notification bell down below so you can stay on top of the content as we drop it. Doing some good things here. We're seeing some serious growth. Love all the support, love all the content, love all the comments, back and forth conversations. Thanks for rocking out with us, y'all. But all right, now that's out of the way, we're gonna get right into this shoe that I got today, courtesy of my sneaker buddy, my homeboy Wes, aka Be More Sneakers. Check him out on IG and YouTube. Local here in the Baltimore area. He actually picked these up for me from Voo Skate Shop out of Baltimore. Dope skate shop. They did a first come first serve today and I wasn't able to get there. He went and picked them up specifically for me. So big shout out to you for that, my man. Appreciate you. Make sure you have a good network of sneakerheads in your community, right? You know, treat people right. I believe in sneaker karma, good sneaker karma. You give, you get. Just have good people around you, man, just in general, in life, right? And that's a good dude. Appreciate the love. We go back and forth helping each other out with pairs and all those types of things. All right, so anyway, enough of that, y'all. I know you want to get into the shoe. So we're going to talk about this matcha release today. This is the shoe, the Nike SB Yuto Horigome Matcha. And of course, matcha is, if you don't know, is a drink, right? Asian drink that comes from China originally. And it is green tea that gets ground up into a powder. My daughter loves matcha. She swears by the stuff. I have friends that love matcha. It does have caffeine in it. I'm a coffee drinker myself. I haven't really done the matcha thing too much. But I know Yuto Horigome loves matcha. And this shoe really speaks to his home and taking it back to kind of where he got his start and, you know, the home thing. So Japan, where he's from, two-time Olympic gold medalist. But yeah, the comforts of home is what this is about. And also it says that it represents the patience and I don't know what else, right? Perseverance required in skating that he exudes. And that is embodied in this shoe. I don't know about all that. I think the shoe itself is nice. Initially it was called asparagus. Then I saw Legion Green. Then I saw matcha. So I think matcha maybe passed the focus group test the best. And they said, all right, let's go with that. That's on the Nike site now for this release that drops Saturday, 10 a.m. for 135 bucks. Is this on your list, y'all? Dropped in skate shops today, like I said. And I saw a lot of people getting W's. You know, stock supposedly is around 25,000 that I saw. Initially we saw numbers around 100,000, which is crazy. That's like, you know, Jordan Retro numbers. And I definitely didn't think Nike SB was dropping 100,000 pairs of these. But I heard 25,000. Now we'll see what is left on Saturday, what comes out on the Sneakers app when we get closer. So tap in, make sure you tap in here on the socials as well at Real Daddy Seed. I post updates, things like that there, news as I get it. Make sure you stay locked in with your boy. The shoe itself is dope. Is it better than the Yuto OG? Now, got the OG here. You know, this wolf gray. It's kind of like a blue gray color. This one dropped when it came out in 23? I think it was 23 or late 20 or then 24. I can't remember which one. It was one of the best releases of that year for sure. Like it came out super wearable, it went gangbusters. People copped it. People couldn't get it. Resale prices were going crazy. Is this as good as that one? No. I'm gonna say that now. But I do like it. I mean, the green is cool. And I think initially when this one kind of hit the leak and you saw the photos that started dropping, it was like, all right, this is cool. This is a different look for a Yuto SB. But I don't know if it was a must cop for a lot of people. But of course, the Nike marketing cycle, we see pairs 8 million times before they actually release. You see it 100 ways, you see it on feet, you see it with the, if it's not the Yankee kicks for some shoes, it's somebody else online and they're modeling the shoe and you see it on foot with different outfits. You saw him on Yuto Horigome with like, I think I saw him sitting on a chair with like 20 pairs of these. He had these with the pink laces. Speaking of which, they come with the sail and pink laces, like a tan, and a pink lace as well. Definitely changed, probably swap the laces out. I like this pink color in here, it's pretty dope. You get the same nylon tongue and the Nike SB Yuto on that as well. You get his signature crest on the back of the tongue, just like the same that's on the side of the shoe. And that's supposedly his family crest. And you get this dark brown, like linen kind of material, like a bamboo. I don't know if it comes across in the light, it's like lines on that. This tan and orange Nike on the back. All the green panels, the matcha panels, have like a little dots all over them, supposedly represent bubbles, like you would have in the matcha tea. Sure, go with that. They kind of look like the reminiscent of the lobsters and the textures, the bubbles and little dots they put on the concepts lobster SBs. I have the purple and they have those all over them, but they're in different sizes. These are fairly uniform in size. This is like a soft kind of suede on the top of the toe. And then this side panel here and here almost feels like sandpaper. Like it's like a different kind of suede, or I don't know, is that suede or is it like a nylon-ish? Weird, but it's got a little texture to it. And it has a little color to it, like a stain on that side panel. And that's on both shoes, so it's not like something was spilled on this. I didn't really realize that before the shoe release. I thought it was the same as this. The swoosh itself is just a smooth, I don't know if that's a dark, like a really dark green. And comes with the matcha or asparagus green laces installed. They have some nice insoles too. I'll pull those out and we can take a look at those. The crest on the back as well, like I said, is the same on both shoes. The sail, that's a white midsole and then a green outsole that has that pink hit in the middle with the Nike SB foam, which is very similar to the brown with the pink on the OG, right? Yeah, very similar to that. And same with the crest. So yeah, are these as good as these? What y'all think? What y'all say? Make sure you drop a comment down below. Let me know. OGs or 2.0. Yeah, I think overall it's a nice shoe. I think it's wearable. I feel like this is more like a fall kind of color for the shoe because of the colors, you know, the green and this tan suede. All right, so the insoles, supposedly this harkens back to his village as well, where he's from. I don't know about all of that. The design is cool. Nike SB insoles, they always come with the zoom pouch and this kind of memory foam in the front, right, for that board feel close to the ground. You could feel that different than a regular Nike Dunk. That's for basketball. This way you could feel the ground closer to your foot, but it also has a good responsiveness to give you some bounce for all of that ollies and all the things you're doing on the boards. But yeah, that's it, man. That's the Nike SB Yuto 2025. They do have that grinder eyelet on the side here. And I think that's there for skating to give more durability and protection and wear to the shoe, because people are doing all kinds of heel kicks and flips and the board hitting up against the sides of your shoe. This gives you a little bit of protection. Also too, on the laces, all the aglets, they kind of have like a, if you look closely, you really can't see this light probably. It's almost like a printed pattern on the end of the lace aglets. And that's on all of them, actually. I won't pull these out, but take my word for it. Here's one. See how that's dark in there? Similar. Yeah, that's about all I got for this one, y'all. Let me know if you cop it, if you plan on copping it. Make sure you watch this video, pass this video around anybody that you know that's considering this shoe so they can see them close up and personal. And again, let me know what you think. Ratings for me, I probably would give this a 8 out of 10. It's not, I mean, it's not a 7, it's not a 10. But it's dope. It's dope. I like it. Glad to have it. And see you on the next one, y'all. We're gonna do some things with some fits and some good photos. Make sure you tap in online at Real Daddy Seed across the socials. Make sure you sub up on the channel on your way out if you haven't already. Help us grow. Share us out. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.